Everyone, my name is Sachin Chaube. We will be discussing today or we will going through how Kubernetes upgrade step by step is done. So what actions need to be decided? First you need to decide which version you want to go to. First you take master nodes and then you take the worker nodes. In next slides I will discuss what action you have to perform on master nodes and what actions you have to perform on worker node. Test it and voila, your work is done. Actions on master node. First, stop your stop service on master node. Upgrade the master node OS. That's the first thing. Find the available version on Kubernetes, because at times what really happening, you have to go step by step upgrade. Okay, so install and upgrade Kubeadm. Second, hold and upgrade kubelet and ctl. Uncordon the master node. Then restart the systemctl services so that you know that your service is up. When we do the demo, we will go through that in more detail. But when you're doing on worker node, because it's a worker node, you are covering most of the part in master nodes. So you will have less thing to do out there. You just have to stop worker node using kubectl, whichever kubectl versions or where exactly your kubectl is there. You have to stop that. Update the worker node OS. Install and upgrade kubeadm. Hold and upgrade kubelet and kubectl. Uncordon the worker node. Restart systemctl service, and then we will check whether our servers are up and working. It's now for the demo. So what we are using is we are using Clearcorda for this demo. So first thing we want to check is what is the version of the current environment. So first let's follow the steps. So we have stopped the service. Let's check whether services stop. Yep, services stop. Next, what we have to do is update the server. Once we update the server, we'll check what's the version available for us. So we will go with version 29.4.-2.1. So we will first install kubelet. Just check what is the version of Kubeadm. So it's 1.29.0. Let's install kubeadm. Okay. Let's check the version of kubeadm. So now versions we have. Let's Let's check the upgrade plan. Let's check, is there any major issue before we do the upgrade? So yep, the plan pass. It says you can now apply. Here's the update. It's renewing the certificate as well. Now, if you can see here, certificate have been renewed. So as for this, it might take up to 5 minutes. That's the time it is saying. Copy the code for upgrading kubelet and others. Okay, now we have successfully completed the cluster upgrade. Now we will let's check. It's still showing the old one. Let's upgrade kubelet and kubectl as well. Now this is done. Let's do uncordon. Last step, if you still see now, it is still showing the older version. It's not updated. The reason is we have not restarted systemctl. Now let's check. Now our master node is upgraded to the latest version. It's not ready yet, so it will ready in few minutes. Let's do the update to the worker node. First section, what we have to do is let's drain the worker node. Then connect to the node. Once you connect it to the node, you will hold and install kubeadm on the server. Once this is done, we will update the node. Once the node is updated, we will also update the kubelet and kubectl. Once this is done, last you have to do systemctl update. Then we will exit and then we will uncordon node 01. Then we will see now both the servers are ready and working. Demo which we have given for upgrade of Kubernetes server. There are few things when you are doing the upgrade which we advise. One of them is please take the backup of the cluster before you perform or do the upgrade. If you are doing multiple version hop, that means your current version is version 1.18 and directly you're going to 1.30. Okay, we advise you to go with blue green deployment because or step by step upgradations. But we advise to go with any. If you ask me, I will always go with blue green deployment out there. While upgrade, what we have found is service account role and role binding get lost. Sometimes it have been happen with mine while I was doing the upgrade out there. I have lost service accounts and role and bindings out there. So it can happen to your environment, and if that happened, it's pretty normal. Okay, that's the only reason. First step when we are giving for the upgrade recommendation is to take the backup. So uh, it's up to your organization requirements, but we advise to take a backup. As you see, whenever we in the demo, that whenever we always make sure that we get the successful message, which is very important to that. If you're working on managed hosting like AWS or GCP, use kops, which is again our our advice. It's up to your organizations and how exactly you take it. The thing. Listening to video till now, and hope to see you in more other videos. Bye bye.